Hi my dear viewers. In this video, we are going to discuss how to create the e-certificate for the quiz what you have conducted. In order to do that, we need two things. Number one, the certificate template. Number two, it can be either your quiz form or it can be a feedback form. Now, I created a certificate template like this one, just some designs and some cups in the four corners, certificate of achievement, the date, and the name, whatever the names you want. You can even list the names also, but these text and all is not necessary, but I created at the starting itself. We want to type the body of the text. You should have the Gmail account. Get into your Gmail account, click this button and go to your Google Drive. First, you have to create a Google Forms, which so a untitled form has been created. First, let me change the form. It is general awareness quiz 2020, and this is the one, general awareness quiz 2020. Okay, so I'm going to add the questions. For example, the first one should be name, and automatically it will take short answer, show the answer, and this is a mandatory field. I just made it required. The next question, they should have their email ID to receive the certificates. And suggestion, enable email collection settings, yes. So automatically this Google form will collect the mail IDs. The next one, I'm adding another one. For example, are you willing to participate? The answers are yes, and the another one is no. That's it. It should be yes. I just made it as required. And the next one, the name should be first, right? So I just tag it before. Name should be first. Next one is, are you willing to participate? So I add another question. Actually, this is my quiz question. This is the quiz question, which is the most necessary quality of a human. For example, I am giving over here. It's a multiple choice, right? So it is multiple choice. Option 1, cheating, and option 2, angry, and option 3, it is a mankind. That's it. My quiz is over now. It is a sample quiz, so I have created only one question. If they answered for this question correctly, they will be getting. And this is the untitled question, which I don't want. So just I delete it off. Now, this is the most important part. Go to more, add-ons, click Certify'em. Certify'em is the one which is going to create the certificate for us. This is the one. Click on that and click install. Give continue. It will ask you for the mail ID confirmation. Just click on your mail ID. It will ask you for accepting the terms and conditions as usual. Give allow. There is no other way to escape. You have to allow this. Click on done. That's it. It's installed now. And now see this button. It is installed add-ons. Okay, in add-ons it is Certify'em. Now we want to make this a quiz. Go to settings. Here collect the email IDs, the response receipts, everything. Edit after submission, no. See summary of charts and text responses, no. Presentation, no progress bar, nothing. Show the link to submit another response. because presently I need that. If you are going to conduct the quiz, you can disable that. Now you can give some confirmation message which will be displaying after the completion of the quiz. Your response has been recorded. If you get more than 80%, for example, I am telling, you will receive the certificate. That's it. This is the message what I want to tell to my participant. And go to quiz, click this one, make this as a quiz. Now release grade. When they want to know their grades, immediately after each submission or later after the manual review. If you are conducting a quiz, it's better to make it as later after a manual review. Getting the answers and everything immediately, there are some chances for spreading the answers. A respondent can see missed questions, okay, correct answers, no, point values, no, as of now. Now go to your question, see here, are you willing to participate? Answer key it is showing. So it should be yes, they have to participate. So my answer key is yes, okay. And the second one will be what is the most necessary quality of a human will be. The answer key is mankind. Here you can increase your points to 10. So I just make it as the required field. And what about this one? Willing to participate is required. Yes, they have to answer. And name they have to answer. Email it is mandatory. Okay, the checking is over now. Get back to the Certify'em add-on. Click on your Certify'em. Show Certify'em controls. The Certify'em will show you one confirmation message. You have to click on confirm. This will give you like this. Certification is off, turn on. So just to turn on your certification. This percentage and all you can reduce later off whenever necessary. It will be decided by you. There are many templates available. Actually, we are going to use the custom template in which I already had my own template. Go to advanced settings. If you have some advanced settings, you can see over here. This will be the message. Your response has been recorded. More than 80% you will receive the certificate. If you change over here, automatically it will be changed. Name of the sender and everything, nothing is needed. Send as PDF. You can change it to image or PDF. It's up to you which format you want to send. And share via email. Email is the usual one which we are going to send. Now we want to design our certificates. In order to do that, click on the plus button of your drive and go to slides and open a new slide. And in this slide there are many formats available. You can use that one, but since I am going to use my own, I am directly deleted all the titles and everything. Let me go to the certificate what I have created, and I copy this one and let me paste it in my drive one and drag it to the required size. It's up to you which size you want to do that. And now I want to make the body of the letter, right? So to do the body, how it will look like, this is to certify Mr. Miss or Mrs. Doctor for the excellent performance in the General Awareness Quiz 2020 conducted by some colleges of technology and scored this much percentage, and the certificate ID is, because whenever the Certify'em is sending the email, it will create its own unique certificate ID which is easy to identify the certificate of the sender for the future references. So what I am doing, just to copy this, and here I want this as a text, so I just click on text and I paste this. Okay, and it is your template, and you can change the template whenever is necessary. Idea now is we should not type the name. It has to take the name from our Google Forms response. Am I right? Okay, go to the general awareness quiz, click on records. If you click on records, see it is showing certificate ID, total score, full name, identifier, email, timestamp, everything, right? So I'm just copying the full name and come back to your presentation, delete the line which I have made, the curl set brackets, and finish it off. Now the full name should be in capitals. Okay, the ABC College of Technology and this code here, the score is there, right? Percent. Actually the name is percent for that. So here what you want to do, in the curl bracket it is percent, and make it as percent. Okay, now if you want, increase the font size to little more, and for example consistently you can make it as 20, no, 16, yes, it's 16 is okay. And yes, if you want the name to be in bold, make it as a bold along with the curl brackets, and here also the percentage is bolded with the curl brackets. Okay, the certificate ID is, get the certificate ID, get the certificate ID. Okay, this is the untitled presentation. So certificate quiz I am just giving. Go to your awareness quiz, go to your template, use custom template. It will be asking you for set up your own certificate. Select a file, and usually the first one will be what you have created in your drive recently, and give save changes. There are two, one is preview all and another one is email me the sample. If you give preview all, there are many available, right? That templates will be showing, and if you click on email me the sample, this will prepare the sample and this will email you how your certificate will look like. Yes, the sample certificate has been emailed to you. Yes, it has been emailed, and we have to check our email. See, me, the certification is now turned on for your examination, and I want to get my certificate. See, your sample certificate is here. This is the sample certificate. In order to share this quiz with your contacts, you will be clicking on send, and it is sent via, you can type your email, or you can click on the link, and this will be showing you the link which you can share, or you can directly copy and paste and you can send it to somewhere, or even you can give shorten URL also. If you click on that, this will give you a shorter URL which easy for the viewers, and if you want to embed, you can directly copy the code and embed in your sites. Assume that you send your form to your participants and they received that, and after that they will be having this form. So what will be that one? For example, this mail ID, because I want to receive that in the same mail ID. So this is the mail ID, name, Rishi, and are you willing to participate? Should be yes. And which is the most necessary quality of a human? Let me give the correct answer, mankind. Yes, your response has been recorded. If you get more than 80%, you will receive the certificate. This will be the message for the participant. Yes, they finished and they can close it off. Now, if you click on certificate of records, see date and time and email, full name, the other identifiers if any, total score, the total percentage, passed or not, and along with the certificate ID. See, this will be the unique certificate ID given by the certificate EM. Okay, now I checked everything and everything is perfect. There is no redundancy and all. So now I want to send the certificate to that person. Which person? And this person, Rishi. Okay, now again you want to click on the add-ons and in this Certify EM, resend the certificates. Okay, here that participant list will be coming. See, the name is coming. I want to send the certificate for him, so it is reprocess. See, your certificate is here, the general awareness quiz. See, this is to certify that Mr. Rishi for the excellent performance in the general awareness quiz 2020 conducted by ABC College of Technology and scored 100%. See, here we identified one. What is that? There are two percentages, 100% percentage. In order to rectify such a mistake, what we have to do? We have to change that in the presentation. After doing that, just close it off. After doing that, what we have to do? Go to Certify EM, show certificate EM controls. Here it will be showing the certificate controls. In the certificate controls, go to template, use a custom template. In this custom template, select the new file, and the new file is the changed one. Give save changes, and now it is changed. So now the preview, for example, I am telling it is the same email ID because I want to check mine, and this will be like Rishi Varadhan. Are you willing to participate? Yes, he is willing to participate. It's a mankind. Exactly, I remember it is submit. They have submitted. This will be the message for the person, participant. Your response has been recorded. If you get more than 80%, you will receive the certificate. Yes. So his part is over. Now I go to certificate of records. This is the third attempt, the Rishi Varadhan, 100%, and see the name CE00003, like that it is showing, right? Okay. Now I want to process this certificate for that person. So what can I do? Certificate EM, resend the certificate. In this resend the certificate, the name of Rishi Varadhan will be coming, and you can click on reprocess. If you click on reprocess, this certificate will be going to in this mail ID with this name. Now we will go to our email. Now let us check whether we received a certificate. Yes, this is to certify that Mr. Rishi Varadhan, and with a 100%. That's it. Today we learned how to generate a e-certificate for the forms. It is not mandatory that we have to conduct a quiz alone and we have to give such a certificate. We can conduct some online classes, and we have to ask the participant to fill the feedback form mandatorily. Whoever fills the feedback form, they will be receiving the e-certificate. So if you make that feedback form as a quiz, automatically the same process can be done. Now here, if in Certify EM, show certificate EM controls, it is given certification is on, link to exam, like that. If you give turn off, see what it is showing. The exam is not currently accepting submissions. Please check back again later. That's it. So if you give certification off, it will not receive any responses. Thanks for watching the video. If you like, click like button and subscribe to my channel.